Hi boys and girls, Miss Sanchez back with you, and in this video we're going to keep practicing smashing together those Unit 1 sounds. So let's warm up. First you have a turn, then it's my turn. Are you ready for these Unit 1 sounds? O, t, k, a, s, g. How did you do? I hope you were practicing and you're all warmed up now because it's time to grab those sounds and smash them together to read words. Now, when we see words, the letters are going to be close together, and your job is to grab each of the sounds you see and blend them together by smashing them to read the word. So let's try this one. What's the first letter you see? The next sound? O. And then P. Do you remember? Go. Mop, mop, mop. Okay, you try this one. Grab the first sound, grab the next sound, smash them together. Okay, let's see if you're right. Got. I got a gift. Try this one. Tap. Tap. Can you guess it? Did you say tap? Yes, it's the tap like on the sink, or you can tap your fingers. Tap, tap, tap. Okay, let's see if you can do this one. Grab those sounds. What did you get? Tag. Tag. What's that? Did you get tag? Yes, like the tag when you buy new clothes. Okay, grab those sounds. Let's try them. Have you got it? Gap, gap, gap. Have you got it? Gap, like a gap between the bridges or a gap in your teeth. What about this? Pop, paw, blend it together, pop. Have you got it? Pop, like popping a balloon. And do you know that in Australia, some people call their grandpa Pop? Okay, try this one. Do you know what it is? Pat, pat, pat. Oh, what a cute doggy. I'd like to give the doggy a pat. Okay. Let's try together. T-o, ta, top. Can you say that faster? Top, like at the top of a mountain or a spinning top, or a t-shirt that you wear can be called your top. Ooh, now we've got 4 letters. But hey, there's the word top, but there's a letter in front of it. I wonder what this one's going to be. Stop. 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 Do you know it? Stop. We've seen that sign before on the roads, haven't we? Okay, now let's try this one. Grab the first sound. K. Let's grab the next sound. Ah. So far we've got cam, cam, camp, camp. Ooh, sounds familiar. Camp, like when you go camping. They've set up a lovely camp in the forest. Okay, another tricky one with 4 letters. We can do this. Grab that first sound. Good. S. Grab the next sound. P. Now put those two together. Sp, got it? Let's see if you're right. Spot, spot, spot. And that's Spot the dog, if you don't know who he is. Very famous in lots of books about Spot. Okay, this is the last one we're going to try. See how well you can do all these sounds. Go. Do you think you know it? Okay, try it with me. Smaw. So grab that. Put those together. Smog. 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 What's that? Let's see. Smog is when there's that mist over the city that comes from a lot of pollution. Smog. I hope you enjoyed practicing smashing together those Unit 1 sounds and keep looking for words in your environment to keep practicing at home. Bye, boys and girls.